The Abarth 500 exhaust. Now, I've had so many questions, so many requests from a load of you guys around what's the best exhaust? Which exhaust should I go for my Abarth 500? My Abarth 500's got this mod. Which is the best exhaust that's going to go with it? Well, this video has been a video I've been wanting to make for a very, very long time, and with massive thanks to a whole load of people from Modified Abarth who took the time to help me make this video with regards to the filming, I am very pleased to show you well over 25 different exhausts and different exhaust combinations for the Abarth 500. So, without further ado, let's make some noise. So what did you think? Let me know in the comments below, guys, which was your favorite exhaust. Now, to get this perfect would have been really difficult, because obviously different turbos will give you different exhaust tones. So an IHI turbo, a Garrett turbo, a TD04 turbo, they all sound different. But I hope that this video has provided some insight into whether, you know, you wanted to see the different sounds, whether they actually do sound any different, and just genuinely, if you are buying an exhaust for your Abarth 500 and Abarth 595 or 695, whatever it may be, that this has helped you in your decision making process. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to like, share and subscribe, and I'm going to see you all very soon on the next one. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.